In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage passwords in Chrome. We'll walk through where to find your saved passwords in Google Chrome and how to view, update, delete, and export them using Google Password Manager. This is useful if you want to keep your logins organized, fix outdated credentials, or create a backup of your saved accounts. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find a variety of browser settings and tools. From that menu, select Passwords and Autofill. This section is where Chrome stores and manages information related to saved logins, automatic sign-ins, and form filling. After that, choose Google Password Manager to open the full password management area. Inside Google Password Manager, you'll see a list of saved website entries. If you want to view a saved password, click on the website entry you need. For security reasons, Chrome will ask you to verify your identity before revealing the hidden password. Depending on your device, this may require your computer password, your PIN, or biometric verification, such as a fingerprint. This extra step helps protect your accounts in case someone else is using your computer. After you unlock the entry, you can also make changes to it. If you need to update the username or password for that website, click Edit. This is especially helpful if you recently changed your login details on a site and want Chrome to store the current version so future sign-ins are easier and more accurate. If you no longer want Chrome to keep a saved login, you can remove it. To do that, click Delete or use the trash icon next to the entry. Keep in mind that this permanently removes that saved credential from your stored accounts, so make sure you won't need it before deleting it. If you'd like to create a backup of your saved credentials, go to the Settings area within Google Password Manager by clicking the gear icon. From there, select Export Password. This allows you to download a copy of your saved passwords. Be careful with exported password files, since they can contain sensitive login information. Store them securely and only export them when necessary. That's how to manage passwords in Chrome. Once you know where these settings are, it becomes much easier to keep your saved logins updated, secure, and under control.